Hey everybody, it's Paul from Travel Buggy. I'm excited to present to you the lightest chair we have ever made, AEROLUX Carbon. Weighing at only 29 pounds, this 100% carbon fiber frame is so light anybody can carry it. So why carbon fiber? Well, carbon fiber has been used for years in the aviation, motorsports, even cycling industry. It produces an extremely strong yet very lightweight type of frame. One of the key unique features about our AEROLUX is how it folds. Most traditional folding power chairs would fold front to back, much like a lawn chair, which means when they're folded, they're still quite wide. We use a cross-fold design. See here. It folds more like a traditional rollator, which means that when it folds, it can get very narrow, 9 inches wide only, which means you can put it behind any car seat or even tuck it behind any door. The AEROLUX features a unique and very much premium control system. It has a 2-inch LED screen that is easy to read, shows your digital speeds, your battery gauge, and up to 7 unique speed levels. It's great for indoor and outdoor use. It has powerful motors that are very quiet and also very light. 250-watt brushless motors power this chair, up to 11 miles on a single charge. If that's not far enough for you, consider an optional second battery. Put it to the other side of the chair, you'll get 20 miles on a single charge. When it comes to indoors, it's got a tight 33-inch turning radius, which is fantastic for navigating tight corners and narrow hallways. Outdoors, it's able to tackle light to moderate terrain with its powerful motors and large rear wheels. Did I mention it's also got shocks in the front wheels to absorb some vibration? It's a great chair no matter where you're using it. The AEROLUX stands out in its sleek and eye-catching design and is available in 4 vibrant seating colors. If you're looking for a lightweight power chair that is travel-friendly and made of only the highest quality components, the AEROLUX Carbon by Travel Buggy is the chair for you. If you'd like to learn more, please get in touch with one of our mobility specialists, and we hope you choose Travel Buggy for your next adventure. Thank you for watching.